Hello everyone, myself Rajnandini Patil, a student from Lala Lajpat Rai College of Commerce and Economics. I will be appearing for my CA Foundation examination in December 2023. I am here with Shesh Educare since my FYJC and my experience till date has been exceptional. My base was made so strong here that I hardly faced any challenges in upcoming classes. Neeraj sir's guidance has played a vital role for me towards my career. Even when I missed one of my SYJC board exam paper due to my health issues, Neeraj sir guided and supported me through my decision of appearing for all the board exam papers again in July. Every professor here is well experienced and their teaching changes our approach towards the studies. A 7 to 8 hour lecture never seems us bored because of their teachings and their energy level while teaching. Here, tests are conducted chapter-wise weekly, which makes us master one chapter and then move forward. Also, live lectures recording are uploaded on students portal, which makes us revision and self-study way more convenient. Every student here is taken care personally by Neeraj sir himself. Honestly, I never regretted joining Shesh Educare since I entered into commerce stream. I am thankful to Neeraj sir, all the professors and the non-teaching staff for taking me to the right path. Now, if you are searching for best commerce coachings